Over the past weekend, we had a lot of noise and a whole lot of hullabaloo about Floyd Shivambu visiting the church of Prophet Bushiri in Malawi. And this is my opinion about this whole Shivambu Bushiri saga. Firstly, I think it is important for all of us to understand that as much as Floyd Shivambu is the Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe, Floyd Shivambu is a family man first. Floyd Shivambu has a family. That means that he has a private life besides Umkhonto weSizwe. And another thing that we have to understand is that in his personal capacity, Floyd Shivambu can attend any church service. When it comes to the part of people making noise and saying that why is he visiting a fugitive, we have to answer this question. How did Prophet Bushiri leave this country when he left? Did he change his identity? Did he live like a criminal? Or was he transported like an important person? Because we can't be told by the government today that Bushiri is a wanted man here in South Africa, knowing very well that South Africa and Malawi have an extradition treaty, a treaty that means that if there is a criminal that each of these countries wants and that criminal is in another country, between the two of them, they can extradite that criminal and bring him back to book. And according to information, already there was a court decision that came out last year in Malawi that said that South Africa can extradite Prophet Bushiri and take him back to South Africa. But South Africa is not taking any action. So I think we need to be fair to Commander Floyd Shivambu, because that trip was his trip in his personal capacity. And we cannot call Prophet Bushiri a fugitive, because South Africa has the power and the means to go and fetch him from Malawi. And even a court in Malawi has said so.